This is a report from our litigation team, and it has to do with false counterfeit complaints and how you can recover money if they are asserted against you. Okay, Amazon sellers, so this is a report of a real case in litigation where we went all the way to the point where we were ready to start the trial. It is our file number 03789, and our client was falsely accused of selling counterfeit products. And our client was making a lot of money, had significant sales on Amazon, and these false counterfeit complaints caused his account to be deactivated, his account to be suspended for roughly 8 weeks. And during those 8 weeks, they lost a lot of money. In addition to wanting to recover the money, they no longer wanted to be the subject of false counterfeit complaints. So we talked, they submitted their case through this case submission button, which you can use 24/7, and they hired us. And so we started a lawsuit right here in New York, in the Southern District of New York, which is the federal courthouse in Lower Manhattan, suing the company that made these false counterfeit complaints for defamation and also interference with our client's contract with Amazon. And the lawsuit recently wrapped up. It was settled on the day we were set to begin the trial, and witnesses are ready to go, and me and the lawyer are in the courtroom, and the judge is on the bench. And we resolved it in a way that really accomplished two major goals for our client. Number one, he gets a check, okay? He's getting a check for the damages that he suffered for those 8 weeks or so when he couldn't sell on Amazon until we were able to get his account reinstated. Number two, he stopped all false counterfeit complaints being asserted against him because this company was not going to assert any more false counterfeit complaints. And I believe what our client did is he took a copy of that lawsuit, and any brand that contacted him who claimed that he could not sell their products, he sent them a copy of it. And what he said was something like this: we're selling genuine products, and if you assert a complaint against us, we will sue you too. We've got a case going on right now, and we will not be shy. We will unleash CJ's team on you if you make a false counterfeit complaint against us. So those are two of the huge benefits our client received. The false counterfeit complaint stopped, and at the end of the day, we got him a check for the damages that he suffered. If you're selling on Amazon, remember my name, CJ Rosenbaum, AmazonSellersLawyer.com. If you're selling on Amazon, remember my name, CJ Rosenbaum, AmazonSellersLawyer.com. IP complaints against your Amazon account, remember my name, CJ Rosenbaum, AmazonSellersLawyer.com.